Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to talk about the reverse ombre trend. So if you guys remember, a few years ago, ombre was huge. It was basically a combination of dyeing your hair blonde at the ends and keeping it dark towards the root, a great way to conceal grown out hair color in the form of a trend. Well, now we are seeing that same variation, except for now it is flip-flop. So we are seeing the hair lighter at the top portion of the hair and darker at the roots. Now you can play around with this look and do any color combination that you want. We're seeing a lot of bold colors as well as more like subtle variations with this as well. But if you decide to play up this trend, it is one that you definitely have to maintain in a salon. Versus the original ombre, you could kind of let your hair grow out and, do what you want as far as the ends are concerned. But with this one, you have to maintain that top color. Here's a more vivid version contrasting blonde and black, as well as a more subtle version on the right. You can play this trend up with a subtle variation as well. You don't have to go as bold as we're seeing it, but the boldness of the trend is really grabbing attention this season. A lot of contrasting colors are making their way. Blonde with the black is definitely one of the most popular versions of this that we are seeing. And it's really just a great way to play with color. In my mind, I really feel as if Cruella de Vil has inspired all of these very unique and bold color combinations. The money piece highlight, the chunky highlights, all of this stems from Cruella de Vil, and black and white definitely leads the way with this. So here we see another kind of semi-tame variation as well as a bold with a purple. Here's another gray and purple variation. Like I always like to say, this trend has no age limit. If you feel like you are drawn to this trend, rock it out, go for it, do with your hair what you want. Here's a very bold combination. And Revlon is actually promoting the heck out of this trend on their Instagram feed. And I would say that if you plan on doing this one, I would go to professional because it is going to be hard to maintain this yourself and try to do it at home. And I really feel like the results will be harder to, achieve at home as well. So if this is something that you are loving, definitely talk to your stylist and see what color combinations that you want to do and achieve with this one. Me personally, I'm loving this trend. I love the boldness behind it. And I love the fact that women are stepping out of their comfort zone and really just experimenting with color now more than ever. So what do you guys think of this trend? Is this one that you would try? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.